The AVR, Adjustable Vault Reinforcement System from Laminated Wood Systems, can safely be installed by a small crew in just 2 days or less without taking an outage. The installed cost of the AVR system is significantly less than the cost of other available repair solutions. The first step in installing the AVR system is the installation of the ledger plates that will support the ceiling decking members. The ledger plates are used as a template to locate the temporary anchors. Once the temporary anchor bolts are installed, the ledger plates are temporarily secured using the slotted holes on the plates. The tongue and groove ceiling decking members are cut to fit the width of the vault. Then inserted atop the ledger plates at each end, leaving the vault access area free. The support posts can now be assembled and positioned in the vault. The AVR adjustable brackets are assembled to the top of the posts. The posts can be field modified if necessary to fit the height of the vault ceiling. Using temporary shoring, the support posts are placed in the vault and plumbed. The posts are positioned to accommodate the equipment configuration and access area. Once the posts are temporarily secured in position, the support beams are placed atop the adjustable brackets. The support beams can easily be modified in the field to properly fit the length of the vault. The bracket plates are then secured to the assembled posts. The remaining ceiling decking members are now cut and positioned in the open area, adjacent to the access area. Once all the decking members are in place, they are secured to each other with decking screws. It is now time to raise the support beams tightly against the decking and vault ceiling. Using a wrench, nuts on the adjustable rods are tightened to raise the support beams tight, up against the vault ceiling and decking. Once the support beams are securely in place, holes are drilled in the beams and they are permanently secured to the brackets with 7/8" bolts. The adjustable rods are then loosened and lowered. Filler blocks are cut and inserted in the space between the support post and beam. The adjustable rods are then tightened against the filler blocks. The base of the support beams are then secured to the vault floor with angle clips. Angle clips are also installed to the ceiling, decking, and support beams. The ledger plates are then secured to the ceiling, decking, and walls using lag bolts and anchor bolts. The installation is completed by removing the temporary shoring. For more information on the AVR Adjustable Vault Reinforcement System from Laminated Wood Systems, call 1-800-949-3526 or visit lwsinc.com today.